Hi guys, happy Monday, start of another week, and welcome back to the channel, Benidorm Scooter Sue. So we're on Avenida Mediterráneo today on a lovely warm sunny day. So what's everybody up to today? Are you enjoying the sun? So we've got Consume supermarket down there. Of course that's downstairs. What's everybody up to today on this fine sunny Monday? Drop a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching the video from. What's your weather like today? Oh my gosh, something smells gorgeous. It smells like pie. Don't know where that's coming from, but that smells beautiful. That really smelled nice. So we got Digi doing a bit of work. Bubble tea. Oh, iced coffee edition bubble tea. Ew, milkshakes. Oh. Annie Hop Cow is in party mode today. At least he ain't got a body today, so it's not going to rain. Some massages there. Caps. Hit the like guys, hit the share, hit that subscribe. Let me know what you're up to today, and I'll see you on the next